One of the most common and serious problems in air conditioning systems is when the AC compressor trips repeatedly. Many homeowners notice that the air conditioner starts normally, runs for a short time, and then suddenly shuts off. After some time, it starts again and trips once more. This issue is known as compressor tripping. The compressor is the heart of an air conditioning system. When it stops working properly, the entire cooling system is affected. In this video, we will explain the most common reasons why an AC compressor trips again and again, how these problems affect the system, and what solutions can help fix them. Before discussing the causes, it's important to understand the role of the compressor. The compressor circulates refrigerant throughout the refrigeration cycle by increasing the pressure and temperature of the refrigerant gas. Because the compressor handles high pressure and electrical load, it is protected by safety devices such as overload protectors and circuit breakers. Whenever the compressor becomes overheated or draws excessive current, these protections shut it down to prevent serious damage. This is why repeated tripping should never be ignored. Dirty condenser coil. One of the most common causes of compressor tripping is a dirty condenser coil. The condenser coil is located in the outdoor unit and is responsible for releasing heat outside. When dust, dirt, or debris blocks the condenser coil, heat cannot escape properly. As a result, the compressor pressure and temperature rise excessively. The compressor then overheats, and the overload protection shuts it off. Cleaning the condenser coil regularly improves heat transfer and helps prevent compressor overheating. Low refrigerant gas. Low refrigerant charge can also cause compressor tripping. When refrigerant levels become low because of a leak, the compressor may lose proper cooling and lubrication. The compressor depends on refrigerant flow to help cool internal components. If refrigerant becomes insufficient, the compressor temperature rises rapidly, and the overload protector may trip repeatedly. Signs of low refrigerant include weak cooling, ice formation on coils, bubbling sounds, and longer running times. Overvoltage, or low voltage problems. Electrical supply problems are another major reason for compressor tripping. Air conditioners require stable voltage for proper operation. If the voltage becomes too low, the compressor struggles to start and draws excessive current. This increases heat inside the compressor winding and activates the overload protection. High voltage can also damage compressor components and electrical parts. In many areas, especially during summer, unstable voltage is a common problem. Using a proper voltage stabilizer can help protect the air conditioner from electrical damage. Faulty capacitor. The capacitor helps the compressor start and run efficiently. If the capacitor becomes weak or damaged, the compressor may fail to start properly. In this condition, the compressor may produce a humming sound while drawing high current. After a few seconds, the overload protector trips to protect the compressor from overheating. A faulty capacitor is one of the most common electrical causes of compressor tripping and should be checked by a technician. Compressor overheating. Sometimes the compressor itself overheats because of poor ventilation around the outdoor unit. If the outdoor unit is installed in a very hot area or airflow around it is blocked, heat cannot escape effectively. Direct sunlight, blocked condenser airflow, or objects placed too close to the outdoor unit can increase compressor temperature significantly. Proper ventilation around the outdoor unit is extremely important for efficient operation. Faulty compressor fan motor. The outdoor fan motor helps cool the condenser coil by moving air through it. If the fan motor becomes weak or stops working, condenser temperature and pressure rise rapidly. Without sufficient airflow, the compressor overheats and trips repeatedly. In many cases, homeowners notice that the outdoor fan is not spinning properly while the compressor shuts down frequently. Checking fan motor operation is an important step during troubleshooting. Compressor internal damage. If the compressor has internal mechanical or electrical damage, it may trip continuously even if other system components are operating normally. Winding damage, internal short circuits, locked rotor conditions, or worn mechanical parts can cause excessive current draw. In severe cases, the compressor may fail completely. A damaged compressor usually requires professional diagnosis and sometimes replacement. Importance of regular maintenance. Many compressor problems can be prevented through regular HVAC maintenance. Cleaning condenser coils, checking refrigerant pressure, inspecting electrical components, and ensuring proper airflow all help keep the compressor operating safely. Regular servicing not only prevents tripping problems, but also improves cooling performance and reduces electricity consumption. Conclusion: if your AC compressor trips again and again, the problem may be caused by dirty condenser coils, low refrigerant, voltage issues, faulty capacitors, overheating, fan motor failure, or internal compressor damage. Because the compressor is the most important part of the air conditioning system, repeated tripping should be taken seriously. Early diagnosis and proper maintenance can prevent expensive repairs and extend the life of the system. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HVAC educational videos, troubleshooting guides, and beginner-friendly air conditioning training content.